Hello Bree, hello, welcome to the channel. I just wanted to let you know about a little tip here that I've discovered. I've had a clicking sound on the bike for a while now. It's been ticking away, tick, tick, tick. First of all, I thought maybe the button bracket, because you know they make that kind of noise. But I've ruled that out, and then I thought it was the handlebars. You know, the handlebars making a noise, because as you know I did put a riser bar on this bike just to raise the handlebars up a little bit. But then I remembered that this noise was actually on here on the bike before I put that riser bar on, so it couldn't have been that. And then I thought, was it the seat? Because I did change the seat over recently, but again, this noise was on this bike before I changed the seat over, so it was obviously something else. I was looking also, I even thought, is it the frame, got a crack in it somewhere, pedals, but again, the noise was there before I changed the pedals over. So by just process of elimination, eventually I got to the point, was is it the saddle? And not the saddle, is it the seat post? Something to do with the seat. Now, on here, it's got a dropper post. So I did grease this, the dropper post. You can grease it with a few different things. One of the things apparently you can grease it with is Vaseline. But I just used one of my GT85 oils on there. I'm not sure if that's the right thing. I'm no expert on dropper post, but seemed to do the job. But still, the noise was there. So eventually, I thought, is it got something to do with where the seat post goes into the frame? So I took this off and I oiled down between the seat post and the frame. And that's done it. That's actually stopped the noise, so it's not making any more noise anymore. And I'll show you exactly what I did. This collar here, just Allen key on the other side here. Loosen that off and give that a wipe round. Clear all the gunk. A bit of, I'm just using GT85 on here. But yeah, clamp back down, obviously put your seat post back the way it was, and you clamp back in position, clamping the frame to the seat post there, and then just put a little screw in there, put a bit of oil on there if you want as well. Straighten your seat up, make sure it's straight, as in, you know, the angle of the seat. You can take the seat post out properly and clean it properly, take the whole thing out and clean it. But this is just a quick little fix, you know, for a creaking, clicking seat post, dropper post. So just a quick tip really, because I found it really a lifesaver, you know. I don't know about yourself, but it drives me mad when you're going along on your bike and you've got a tick, 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 or a click, 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 or a click, some kind of weird noise going on. And it's been going for months and I just couldn't work out what it was. And I see I greased this post. And I did that, and I greased everything else on the bike, and nothing would work, and that's what it was. It's basically just where the dropper post sits in between the frame on the bike, and obviously just creaking away. Obviously, I think just as it flexes a little bit as you're pedaling, because I noticed when I was putting pressure on the pedals, I got up a hill or something, it was clicking away. I was driving as nuts, and it was getting worse and worse. So I'm pleased I fixed it. But yeah, so it's just a little tip for you to help me out if you have the same situation. So yeah, so take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.